Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my October favorites. I want to start kind of getting back on my favorites train because I kind of hopped off, and my last favorites was my current favorites, which I did about a month ago. So if you want to see all the products that I have been loving recently, then keep watching. For the month of October, I don't have a whole lot of makeup favorites. I do have some, and I feel like they're going to be really obvious, but we'll get there in a minute. And I also have some hair care, some skincare, and a kind of random, but like you kind of need it type thing. So let's get into these favorites. I'm going to start off with hair care, and this has been one of my favorite masks lately, and it is the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with avocado extract. I was getting so many samples of these in my Walmart beauty boxes and from PINCHme. I literally got like 5 samples of these from PINCHme. I don't even know why. I don't know if they like don't regulate who gets what, but I got a lot of samples of this and I really liked every single sample. I loved how my hair felt. I loved how they smelled. I loved the texture. So I thought, why not buy one from Walmart? And this is the one that I got. They have this little jar, and it is 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. They also have one that is bigger. I don't know like the size wise, but it is a lot bigger than this. It's probably like 4 times the size of this. It's huge, and I knew I wouldn't use it, so that's just why I bought this little one. I also bought another little guy that I haven't tried yet because I'm waiting to try this one out, but it's so good. So this has a vegan formula. It has a 94% biodegradable formula. There's no silicones, parabens, or artificial colorants. And there's 3 ways you can use this mask. You can use it as a hair mask. You just wash your hair regularly as you do in the shower and then leave it on for a minute. So I'll wash my hair, put this on, and like shave my legs and whatever. You can use it as a conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, which I've also used it as a leave-in conditioner. It helps detangle your hair so good. It's amazing. These smell so good. This one, like I said, is the one with avocado extract. And to me, I don't know what an avocado smells like, to be completely honest, because I don't like avocados. But this smells like banana runts. If you don't know what that smells like, go to the dollar store, Walmart, wherever, get yourself a box of runts and eat a couple of the bananas and just sniff them. This is what this smells like. I don't know why, but this is what it looks like if you're curious. Just a typical conditioner. It's kind of thicker than a normal conditioner would be, but this is so good. This one is really good for smoothing your hair. I use it once a week, every other week, it kind of just depends. I don't like to use it too much because they do weigh my hair down, and my hair does get really greasy if I use it too often. So for me, kind of like less is more. Depends on your hair, but I definitely would recommend these 1 minute hair masks from Garnier. Now moving on to skincare. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably heard me talk about these products a gazillion times on my Instagram stories, but not everyone on my that is subscribed to my YouTube channel follows me on Instagram. So if you don't, go follow me. It's linked down below. But the first product I'm going to tell you guys about is this Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment with Salicylic Acid Acne Medication. So my skin has been giving me a bazillion and one issues. I don't know if it's the food I'm eating, just seasonal allergies, seasons changing. I have no idea what's going on. So I was at CVS one night picking up some medicine, and I stumbled across this because I thought, why not look? And this is oil-free, 100% of people showed clear skin in 1 day, and this doesn't over dry skin are the claims. I've noticed my pimples do shrink overnight. They're not 110% gone, but they are significantly smaller than they were the night before. So when I first started using this, I would just put it on at night, and it kind of just tells you to like gradually get into using it 2 to 3 times a day, which I think is really excessive. So I just use it morning and night. I think that's more than enough, and I do see a difference in my skin. Like I said, it doesn't over dry, so this isn't like the Mario Badescu drying lotion where that really just dries out the pimple and like sucks out all the yuckiness. This doesn't do that at all, so I kind of like this better, to be completely honest. And I really like it better because of the price. It's so much cheaper than the drying lotion. This is under $10 and the drying lotion is over $10. So I have been seeing a huge difference in my acne spots. They are going down, like I said. I do use it twice a day, morning and night, and it's really, really good. The next clean and clear product that I picked up from CVS and have been absolutely loving is this Acne Triple Clear Cleansing Clay Mask with natural clay, aloe, and mint. I got this along with the spot treatment. So this mask you can use 2 or 3 times a week. It absorbs your pore clogging oils and washes away impurities and helps prevent future breakouts. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Mine's a little messy, but it's 30, so it looks like this. It's just a wet. It smells really nice and minty. I really love the smell. Kind of reminds me of Noxzema, if you guys have ever used that. But this is just so good. I really feel like it helps with my skin and just like sucking out everything. I only use this once a week because I feel like it is a kind of powerful mask and I don't want to irritate my skin. So what I'll do is, whatever day I want to do a mask on the weekend, that's the day I'm using this mask, so Saturday or Sunday. And that way I can just start the week off with nice clean skin, and I really like it. This also really helps with the acne that's been on my face. And this you can also apparently use, I was reading, as a cleanser as well. I haven't tried that yet. Kind of curious. If you've ever tried this mask, have you tried it as a cleanser? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Before getting into makeup, I want to tell you guys about a makeup cleaner that I don't think I've shared on my channel. I think I only talked about it on Instagram a while ago, and I forgot about it and then kind of just fell back in love with it. And that is the Sonia Kashuk Makeup Brush and Sponge Cleansing Balm with a scrubbing pad, and it is a rose water scent. So this little guy makes cleaning your brushes so much easier. So you just unscrew the top, and then this little cleaning pad comes out. It's kind of like the ones from Sigma, and I did not know that this came with this, so that kind of like justifies the price. This is like $10, so it is totally worth it because it's lasted me a long time. Mine's really dirty, don't judge me. I tried cleaning it out, but that didn't happen. So this is just all it is. It's kind of like that beauty blender soap that you can use for your beauty blender, and it's just amazing. I really like this. I like how it cleans my brushes. The scent doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't really like linger on the brush either. It will right after you rinse the soap off, and then as you let them dry, it goes away. Like, I never smell it when I go use the brushes once they're dried. But it's just really good. It was a good price. I think it was like under $10. I don't remember, but I really do enjoy this brush cleanser. It's really, really good, and it really just makes cleaning your brushes faster. I feel like cleaning brushes takes forever, and this just makes it like 1, 2, 3 and you're done. Now on to makeup favorites, and I'm just gonna let you guys know now that they are the DESI and KATY collab with Dose of Colors, but that's just it. The first chunk of things that I've been loving from the DESI and KATY collab are their liquid lipstick in My Main and No Shade, the lipstick from their first launch with Dose of Colors. So these two have been my favorite lip combo lately. Today's like the one of the days that I'm not wearing it, obviously, because I wanted to wear red lipstick. I don't know why. But if you guys remember, I did not like No Shade at all at first because of how light it was, and I'll swatch it for you. This is what it looks like. It looks really pretty when it's swatched, but when it's on me, I look like I'm dead. So I never really wore it on its own, but I will put My Main down first and just pat this in the center of my lips. And it is the prettiest lip combo ever. I'll insert a picture so you can see it. I love it. It kind of just lightens this up just a tad, and it just, I think it looks so pretty. It's such a pretty nude combo, and it has been one of my favorite nude combinations lately. I've been wearing it non-stop, which I should probably not wear it every single day because I feel like these are limited edition. So if I use them both up, I'm going to be really sad and I can't get them again. But it's a really pretty combo. So if you have these two, I would definitely recommend trying it out because I think it would look really pretty on all of you. And then my last favorite, of course, is the Friendication palette. So, I mean, I'm sure this was pretty obvious. The packaging is gorgeous. These shades are absolutely stunning. I've been really loving Girl Bye, which is this really pretty cranberry shade in my crease, along with like Churro in the crease as well. It's just, they're so pretty, these shadows. If it's still available on Ulta or the Dose of Colors website, I definitely recommend picking it up. I'll leave links down below for everything. More tutorials with this palette are coming very soon. I'm going to film one within the next week or so, so just keep an eye out for that. But It's a gorgeous palette. It's so good. The colors are just, I just love everything about it. And those were my October favorites. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorites for the month of October were. I would love to hear what your favorites are. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below as well. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.